everyone, this is Storm Central here, the latest audio and video forecast. We're going to do a quick update today. Today is July 4th. Everyone have a great and safe 4th of July today. We're going to start off with storm predictions outlook for today. We're looking at slight risk in portions of the Dakotas, portions of Wyoming and Minnesota, mainly for damaging winds and large hail. Tornado cannot be ruled out as 2% for tornado, 30% for wind and hail also, and best chance would be the highest north you go, so portions of North Dakota and portions of northwest Minneapolis for the best chance for severe weather today. You also have a lookout for portions of New England areas into Maine, for the greatest threat being wind and hail also, as long with the Carolinas here into Tennessee and Kentucky areas, with a slight risk for severe storms. Going into tomorrow, also looking at a slight risk for portions of Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas into Wyoming and northern Colorado, as long as with southern Dakota and southern South Dakota and Minnesota areas, mainly for large hail and damaging winds. There will be a slight tornado threat also with that 30% risk hatched area. Going into day 3 outlook real quick here, we're looking at mainly not a huge risk, but this will probably be extended into portions of Illinois for severe weather also. Alright, now we're going to go on to the National Hurricane Center outlook for severe storm or hurricanes here. We're looking at the Atlantic look on it all here. We're looking at some showers and thunderstorms over by portions of Cuba into the Dominican Republic area here, showers and thunderstorms. Puerto Rico, storms off to your west, areas here, the islands over here. They're pretty dry areas right now, with just some cloud cover. There's a lot of dry moisture into portions of the Atlantic, so this is prohibiting the development of severe storms that could turn into hurricane development here. Looking off the coast of Texas, once again, more dry air, which we do not need. We need some moisture into there, which we're not going to see for the next couple of days. We're also looking at some chances of rain for portions of Florida into portions of the Mexico, Guatemala, Panama areas down here. Some chances of rain, but nothing looks favorable for development. Looking into off the coast of Africa, this is where we look for severe storms that could rotate and get a low pressure on them and go into a hurricane. They're called Cape Verde storms because these are the Cape Verde Islands right here. Not looking at anything that's posing my interest right here. We have a 10% chance, and let me go back to the radar image here, Eastern Pacific, where this cluster over here is a 10% chance. It could form into something. It's not all favorable, but it's there. So we could have the sea storm for the next portion into portions of the Eastern Pacific. Alright, here's your forecast for Storm Central 4th of July forecast. We have Seattle, find your town here. Severe risk into Minneapolis areas here today. We also have a severe risk into Maine, which is not listed on the map, and also into Tennessee and South Carolina and Virginia areas. If you need a town forecast, just ask me. I'll be glad to give it to you. Looking at Chicago, 82-67 sunny. Milwaukee, 83-64 sunny. Denver, 99-62 hot. Joplin, 96-73 hot and sunny. Looking at Bluffton, Indiana, 84-62 pleasant and sunny. Detroit, 83-65 sunny. Spokane, Washington, 82-51 sunny. So just find your town and you can see it there. Alright, this is once again Storm Central for the latest audio and video update for today, July 4th. Everyone have a safe 4th of July. Keep the fireworks to the minimum if you are illegals here. Let's not be doing that. Once again, have a great and safe 4th of July.